Umuulan, bumabagyo, as in literal talaga to na nakakatamad. I woke up late today kasi may lagnat pa rin ako since yesterday. And honestly, I couldn't report to work. But instead of feeling guilty, I gave myself permission to pause and still make the day meaningful. I journaled, planned content, and made space for the rest because being productive doesn't always mean being busy. Sometimes healing is the hustle. And today, I chose to honor that. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako ngayong araw na to. Tapos besh, pagbangon ko, diretso kusina. Wala nang hilamos, wala akong ano. Gutom ang priorities ko talaga. Na-feel ko lang bigla na parang sarap siguro ng samyang today. So ayun, nagluto ako, pinakuluan ko agad. Tapos nilagyan ko ng cheese para may extra drama sa lasa. Alam mo yung vibe na comfort food on a rainy day habang feeling sick. It's just hits different, di ba? Alam mo yung hindi nga siya fancy pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi parang kahit pagod ka, may konting reward ka for surviving the day. Tapos after maluto, tinikman ko na siya agad. And besh, ang nostalgic ng lasa. Parang ang tagal na. I think last year ko pa ito huling nakain eh. I'm not even a big fan of noodles pero this one, na-appreciate ko siya today. Maybe kasi it felt like comfort. Yung simple pero sakto siya sa mood ko. Sabi ko baka pwede na ako mag-start mag-impake. Alam mo yun, kahit pa unti-unti. Medyo hilo pa pero just thinking about the travel, yung alam mo yung pati banding, yung bagong scenery, honestly, it's giving me energy. Kahit slow yung katawan ko, excited na ulit yung soul ko. After that comforting samyang, nag-decide na rin ako mag-ayos kahit konti. Sabi ko, okay, let's try to be a little productive kahit half energy lang. So I slowly started checking my closet, kuha ng few clothes, sinilip ko na rin yung mga shoes. And syempre, sinimulan ko na i-review yung itinerary namin para at least kahit papano, may idea na ako kung anong outfit ang best for each activity, di ba? Like kung may city walk, dapat comfy pero classy. Kung may dinner naman, dapat may I didn't try but I still slayed. Alam mo yon yung mga ganong klaseng look. You know the vibe, effortless pero pinag-isipan. Pero honestly, hindi pa talaga final lahat yan. Kasi knowing me and knowing my beshies, for sure bukas may madadagdagan pa. May bagong top, may bagong plans, bagong mood, but that's okay. At least today, kahit feeling under the weather ako, I was able to start. Little by little, I'm shaking things off and that's a win for me. Alam mo yung feeling na kahit half-functioning ka, you still want to show up for your future self. Ganon. Yung tipong soft-girl pa rin, pero planner. Yung pagod, pero goal-oriented. So yes, wala pa ako sa 100% today, but I'm slowly getting there. One outfit, one checklist, one cute plan at a time. And kahit medyo sakitin ako today, I still chose to be present. Slowly, gently, but with intention. Hindi ko pinipilit pero hindi rin naman ako nag-give up. Kasi minsan, progress doesn't have to be loud. It can be soft, quiet, even half done, and that still matters. So if you're also feeling a little off lately, remember it's okay to pause. Rest is a part of the grind. What matters is you keep choosing yourself kahit paunti-unti lang. And that's it mga besh, another day of soft girl energy, hard girl grind, and content guardian for balance. See you on my next vlog.